Scale in and out. Ooh, this one's going to be exciting. Tell me, what is the first note of the treble clef? Do you see what note it wants you to start on? Space 1, 2, 3 is treble C. Oh, put your 5 finger on treble C. And what is our note of the bass clef? The second space is C in the bass. Okay, 5 finger on bass C. Oh, it says to play them at the same time. I wonder if we could try this. We start on our fingers 5 and then go down, and I bet you know what finger to use to pop the bubble. Do you want to watch me first? Okay, go ahead and watch me. Ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I'm out of fingers. I've got to pop. I'm going to use my third finger. 3s, 2s, 1s. It says to go back out. 1s, 2s, 3s. I'm going to pop after 3, right? 1s, 2s, 3s, 4s, 5s. I want you to try. Let's just do your left hand. Okay, 5 finger is on bass C. Ready? Go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Pop with your third. 3, 2, 1. We need to teach our left hand to pop after 3. You ready? Go. 1, 2, 3. Pop your thumb under to our G. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Wow, that was so tricky. I want to do it one more time starting from middle C, since that's new for our left hand. Ready? Pop after 3. Ready? Go. 1, 2, 3. Pop to our G. 1. Make a new bubble. 2, 3, 4, 5. We learned something new. I love doing the scale with my left hand. Excellent.